good because village life people do defecation here and there.
In cities, there is so much pollution, and in village, there is no pollution.
There is no facilities in the villages.
In villages, all people live together, lovely and happily.
Villagers people is not good but because they looking like a jandua.
In the village, people grow crops for their, but in the cities, people not grow crops for their.
In cities, there are good education compared than villages. In village, people get pure and fresh fruits and vegetables. In cities, there is not pure vegetables and fruits.
In cities if people are have some injury, doctor give them proper treatment, but villages don't have many facilities like this.
In the village, people know all the villagers. In the cities are many facilities like hospital, airport, etc.
In village there is all the facilities like college, schools, etc.
Sir, in cities, the people provide many facilities like airport, hospitals, colleges, schools, and educational institute. But village people cannot get proper facilities.
In city, people eat junk food.
The villagers came to the city to take job, but the people of city do not go to the villages to take job.
We don't need job. We earn money from farms and animals.
The people of villages not educated. The people of cities educated. In village, all children respect her parents and grandparents.
In villages, the house is very dirty and not clean. But cities, the house is big and the house is clean.
The behavior of village children is very good, and the behavior of city children very bad.
In the villages are not police station, but in the city have police station. And in the villages, thieves walk here and there, but not cities thief here and there walk.
In village, children play together, and cities, children fight each other. In the city, all houses are big. In village, all houses are very small.
In the villages, there are big houses, but in the cities, there are no big houses. There are small houses.
Cities people are good habits, but village people are not good habits.
Villagers know how to worship of God, and citizens do not know how to worship of God.
Sir, in city, all houses are pakka house, and in village, all house are kacha. In village, all villagers are celebrate all festival together.
In villages there are many
many streams, but in cities there is no stream.
Cities have no place for playing, and villages have more place for playing.
In city, all people lived peacefully, but in village, no people lived in peacefully.
In village, the people of village celebrated all festival with love and harmony. But in city life, they do not celebrate festival with love and harmony.
The people of village are swim in drainage.
All the villagers are celebrate all their festival, but in cities, all festivals are not celebrated.
In cities, there are many stadiums to play children, but in villages, children were play in field and they get many problems like the electricity and many problems. In cities, where get all facilities to live like electricity, water supply, and many things.
In city eat junk food, but villages eat healthy food. The people of city looking like very smart, but the people of villages looking like Banjara. Why you are going against villagers? You also live in village.
The people of villages are fighting each other, but the people of cities do not fight each other and live with harmony.
Village have many planted, but city has not planted.
The people of villages is goody goody.
The people of villages drink washroom water. In the village, people get fresh air and there is very much plants and trees.
Cities houses are big, but in villages houses are very small.
In the city, people are drink wine, but village people are drink water and juice, fruit juice.
In cities there is more discrimination, but in villages there is more discrimination, but in cities there is no discrimination in each other. The people of cities have behave as bloody jugs.
Buildings are found in cities, but in villages there are no buildings.
The people of cities are very weak. The people of villages are very strong because we take buttermilk, curd, and ghee.
In village not all facilities, but in cities all the facilities.
In the villages, government all facility like school, hospital, and do not take money.
In village there is no dustbin to throw garbages, but in cities there are so many dustbin to throw garbages.
The people of cities are too goody goody.
The people of villages have not washroom. They have definition in road.
And men of cities are very talkative.
In the village, people of villages are bunk the school, but cities students are not bunk the school.
The children of village are very intelligent, but the children of cities are very dull and stupid. Shopping malls are found in cities, but in villages there are no shopping malls. The villagers people have not discipline because they speak Marwadi. In the city, the people do show off, and villagers are not do show off. In cities are not cut trees, in village are cut trees. In village there is greenery in all around.
But the people of cities are not skeptical and they used to spend their money and invest.
The people of city was so goody, and the people of village was not goody. In the villages live in huts and cities people live in multi-story house. In the cities people take house in rent, but village people has their own house.
The people of villages come to city to earn money. Of city earn money in the city.
In the city building has no space, and in the village houses has medium space. In the cities are very pure water, in the village are not pure water.
गांव में प्योर वाटर नहीं मिलता शहर में मिलता है
Cities people are very angry. They was not like village peoples, but village peoples are very happy. They were like city peoples.
In cities there is a facility of traffic light, but in villages there is no facility of traffic light.
ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल करने
You need traffic light because you have traffic. We have not traffic, so we have not need traffic light.
वो पीछे वाले लड़के भी बोल रहे हैं 9 वाले वो देश
The
बिल्कुल
people
पीछे हो
of
रहे हैं
villages are
किसी
foolish
को
and stupid
जाता है
because they used to abuse
ऐसे ही कर रहा है कि
each
मैं आपको
other.
बताएं
They
जब
do
बोलूँगा
not have
बोलूँगा
they
ऐसे
do not have to speak each other.
These produce harmful gases and these are harmful for people of cities. The people of village are goody because they used to window shopping.
In the village are take liquor, but villages are not take liquor.
कुछ बच्चे ऐसे
Village
रहते
people
हैं
are
फिर उनका मनोबल कभी हो हाई नहीं
in village
सबका
people
जान कोड नहीं बोल रहा
not keep clean.
आप जान रहे हो कि कोड नहीं बोल रहा है
Villages are people not keep
लेकिन
clean our
तैयारी तो करे
surroundings.
बोलने की उसकी
But
एजुकेशन कम नहीं
cities people are keep clean our surroundings.
The people of city used to argument and abuse with their elders.
Villages are cut the trees and cities are more plants. The villagers planted the plants.
बॉलीवुड क्या था खड़ा हुआ है हाँ हम क्या नाम है इसका
Manoj.
हाँ
Villagers are not good because they clean their village, and city people are not throw garbage here and there. In cities not clean environment, but villages clean environment and
अच्छी बच्चियों में से बहुत अच्छा करने लगी
The behavior of villagers were very bad, look like the monkeys, and the behavior of city children were
कुछ नहीं गलत हो जाएगा
and they were living with together, and the villagers people used to speak
एक बार बोलने
with each other.